Visit tapsil.com to start making your dream mobile game. Hey guys, how are you doing? Okay, this is day 9 of the challenge, and as you can see, there are some good news here. So, basically, as you have spotted at the beginning of the video, the zoom of the camera is way better and you can go way further than previously. You might have noticed the pieces that are a bit rotated. And this is because, as I told you previously, I want to have a behavior as close as real life. I do love playing jigsaw puzzles in real life, and the pieces are always scattered around. You have some groups of pieces that you have found and matched together, and you try and match them with the rest of the pieces. So this is basically the behavior that I want to replicate here. This is currently working really well, but it was not the case during the whole process. As you can see here, I first tried to add rotations to one or singular pieces, and then try and rotate them to fit in the puzzle. So this was pretty okay. So that was because that was actually just one piece. But when I wanted to add rotation to the groups, this is where things became a little bit tricky. As you can see here, the local positions of the neighbor pieces are messed up because of course you need to take the angle into consideration. So at first, even though I had the group, I was still able to rotate the pieces. Then when rotating the group, it was rotating around the center position, its center position. So it was really weird. So what I decided to do after that is to rotate the group around the first piece of the group, and that was way better. Then I changed the image because I was kind of tired of the previous one, and everything was okay when I wanted to add a piece to a group, but when I tried to merge two groups together, I had issues. Let me explain quickly. So basically, here are the two groups that I wanted to merge. Ideally, what you would do is grab the first piece, so this one, place it. So the vector would be that one, the move vector. You move it by this and then you rotate it, okay? Actually, it's a little bit less, but just let's keep things simple here. Then you would do the same thing for the other one, right? So you move it by this vector, it would give you this because we assign the same rotation and we move it by the same vector, so that's an issue. All of the pieces of one group should have different move vectors. Okay, so what I ended up doing is actually grab these two pieces and rotated them around the center of the piece that was clicked. And that did the trick. Cool. So by now, I think that all of the controls that I wanted to implement are working perfectly. I even had the time to refactor the code a bit and add a nice effect whenever you complete a puzzle. Boom, all of the outlines disappear. And it's so cool. So yeah, I'm gonna see what to add next, and hopefully it's gonna be awesome. Let me know what you would like to see next. See you tomorrow.